What's up? It's your boy Black, baby. You know, nigga just shining, chilling, fresh up in the morning. You know, nigga Black, baby. How at you, boy? Whatever, you know? That's how we get out.
Why your name Black?
Well, shit, why my name Black, nigga? Cause I'm always in black. A nigga skin kinda black. Nigga, shit, it's all black. Nigga, once you go black, you never go back. Tell them that all the races. I said that. You feel me? Your boy Black. Coming out of you.
So what you do out there in them streets, Black?
Shit, man, Black always out here grinding, baby. Shit, whichever you want. We got the pill, the powder, the coke, the water, shit, some soda, nigga, whatever you want, nigga, we got you, baby. Black said it. Sponsor, holla.
All right, Black. Yeah, so tell, where you from? You from LA? What you from the South?
Shit,
where
man,
you out in them parts, Black?
Shit, I'm from Albuquerque, New Mexico, nigga. I'm from my own side, nigga. No west, no south, nigga. It's the mid-A, nigga. You know about that, nigga. MWA, nigga. New Mexico niggas with attitudes, nigga. What, nigga? MWA, nigga. New Mexico, nigga. What? That's where we coming from. Black. Our town, nigga. Albuquerque town, nigga. A-town.